tutorial is to teach you about sector area, what it is, and how to solve for it. Let's begin. Sector area is the area of a circle that an angle inside the circle intersects. All you need to do to solve for the sector area is use a very simple formula. This is the formula you must use when solving for sector area. It is very similar to the arc length formula. You must take the central angle over 360 and equal it to the sector area over pi r squared. The pi r squared is the area of the entire circle. The sector area is the area of the circle that you are trying to solve for. And the central angle is the angle inside the circle that creates the area you are trying to look for. Let us try it out for ourselves. This is the diagram we have been given. Using the equation above, we can solve for the sector area very simply. The central angle is 135 degrees and the radius is 8. We are looking for the sector area, which is labeled as x on this diagram. If we put our values into the equation above, we will come out with this. 135 over 360 equals x over pi 8 squared. The central angle over 360 equals sector area over pi r squared. As you can see, we've replaced the central angle with 135, sector area with x, which we are trying to solve for, and the r with 8, which is the radius of the circle above. Now, to solve for the sector area, you must do exactly what you do in arc length and cross multiply this formula. So, you have to do 135 times pi 8 squared equals x times 360. Once you cross multiply this, you will end up with this. 8,640 pi equals 360x. Just like in arc length, you must divide 8,640 pi by the 360, which will leave you with x equals the number that you are trying to solve for. Once you have divided by 360, your answer for this diagram will be x equals 24 pi. 24 pi is the area of that sector area that we are attempting to find in that diagram. I hope that this tutorial was helpful in teaching you about sector area.